Okay, so when we want to set up our Teams page, first thing we're going to do is we're going to load up Glow. And it will default to giving us our Launchpad, but we don't want that. We want to go into the management console, because that's where all the information is for all the kids that we need. So on the left-hand side, we can tidy it up a little bit more, and we're going to click on Groups. Okay, and we load up here, it'll give us all of the groups that the school has created. It'll start with the year groups, and then it will give each individual class. But we are interested in the bit over here on the right-hand side. When it says Actions, we click on Actions, and down the bottom, it should give us this option to create group in Office 365. That's what we want to do. Here, it will give us a name. It'll already try and default to something, so I would normally just take that, and then space dash space, stuck in the school name, and then the year that we're running with, just in case it creates any kind of duplicates. Once we've done that, down, press OK. But we're not going to do this one because I've already made a whole year group one by mistake. Sorry, Mrs. G. Instead, what you want to do is you want to change it from being all groups just down to my teaching groups. Right? And so that way, it is just your classes that it is spitting out that you're doing instead.
A few moments later.
Okay, it'll take maybe 30 minutes or so to do it. And it will tell you that at the time, but it actually will take about 30 minutes. So if you've got a couple of groups to set up, do them all at once. And then eventually you get bombarded with emails, just like this one, to say that you have joined a group. Okay, and it'll have a whole load of information in there. What you want to do, if it doesn't give you any kind of easy link, is click on View the Group in Outlook. And it will load up just your group's little space. Okay, again, whole load of information there. Click on the name of the group. Okay, so it'll start with group, and it'll give you your class name that you made earlier. Okay, what you want to do is you want to be able to take the email address for this. So further down the page, it gives us the email address, and there's a wee bit at the side that we can copy it. So once we've done that, we're going to go into Teams, and we're going to try and create a new team. So join or create a team. And we're going to create a team. It will try and give you some suggestions here, but we blank them out just for privacy's sake. And you want to make a class. It's normally a good idea to try and make the name here match the name you gave the group. But again, that's up to you. Space dash space, school, your group, and click on next. Here, it's going to give you the chance to add in people. What you don't want to have to do is you don't want to have to add in each individual child's email address. Add them all at once. And so it'll give you this chance here. It'll tell you that we've added 14 people in the group. And it'll always tell you one member already exists, because that should be you. You are that person that already exists. All right, click on close, and that'll be it. You have successfully made your team and added all the kids in that you need to.